Hello, hello. How are you? How are you?
I'm good. You? I'm good. You?
Good, good. I question for you. I question for you.
Tell me. Yes. Tell me. Yes, tell me.
How to improve your English conversation? How to improve your English conversation?
I regular practicing English. I regular practicing English. And listening, talking for I create new environment. And listening, talking for I create new environment. That's enough. That's enough.
Wow, this is so easy. Wow, this is so easy.
Yes, you are practicing English, grow your speaking skills. Yes, you are practicing English and grow your speaking English.